So this is why it's imperative for you to share your voice, because you're never going to get the clients and customers that you want if you don't share your voice. No one is hiring their coach because the reel was fabulous. I mean, the reel can be fabulous, but we also need to hear your voice. We need to hear what you sound like, not just reading it, because anyone can sound great through writing something down. But to actually hear it be received through someone's voice, which means that it can't be planned, it can't be scripted, it can't be copy pasted from someone else, but they have to be embodying it, is going to allow you to decide, do I trust this person? Do I want to work with this person? Do I feel a connection to this person? And there's no right or wrong way. Some people's voices will connect with other people in the ways that others won't. Just like music. I might love Afrobeats music and you might not. You might love Marilyn Manson, I might not. Doesn't mean one of them has a better voice than the next, though I might say differently, but it just means we have different tastes. So don't feel shame around your voice. And I'll talk about some stories that we often have about our voices, but the most important thing is your voice is a calling card of who you are today.